Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. I'm still a little bit sick, so you might hear that in this video, but I wanted to make a full daily update on Ethereum. I'm going to be taking a look at the price briefly, because there are a lot of fundamentals we need to talk about. A lot of things going on. If you go to CoinDesk right now, you can see it. USDC is depegged right now. But apart from that, Coinbase also paused the conversions. There's a lot of things going on with that because of the Silicon Valley Bank falling, which was a pretty big crypto bank. Bad news, bad fundamentals. It's not causing Ethereum to crash yet. And I think the only reason for that is, here you can see the depeg of USDC. I think the only reason why crypto is not crashing yet, because this is, USDC, they have $37 billion in market cap. If that depegs, it's an absolute catastrophe. The only reason why it's not happening is I think that people are getting out of USDC, if they still can, to get into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they are better choices right now. They still have something going for them. Bitcoin still is, I think, valuable, and Ethereum surely. So yeah, it's I think that's what's happening. Apart from that, some other stablecoins are in trouble as well. BUSD is holding up fine. DAI is really in trouble, but I believe DAI is also partially backed by USDC. So then you get some sort of a snowball effect. Pretty scary times, but as I said, Ethereum is still holding on fairly well. We even were a little bit bullish yesterday, which was expected. I said that yesterday, that 1400 and that 618 VIP right here, it's a pretty strong support. And apart from that, yesterday we also got a little bit of higher unemployment rates, which signals that perhaps the inflation is still going to drop down. We get the inflation rate next week. But that could still perhaps come, and if that's the case, then all of a sudden the economic circumstances for crypto are bullish again, while all of the other fundamentals and circumstances for crypto are not bullish. But alright, before we dive into the technicals, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, still I sent out signals. Yesterday, for example, we bought the Bitcoin dip, so we're still making profits. If you want to join that, if you want to see results and stuff, you can also see that. Check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But now what I expect for Ethereum. I expect us right now, as I said, 1400 is a pretty strong support level. That's our support right now. And even though we spiked above this level around 1450, 1440 during last night, it is a strong resistance level. Which is not going to be easy to break through. Now, I gotta be honest, in market circumstances like this, markets are unpredictable. Markets are volatile. So in theory, a lot of things can happen. In theory, we could spike up to like 1500, 1520. It's very well possible. It's not what I expect. I expect ultimately that will kind of stabilize right here, perhaps be a little bit bullish up towards like 1480, but not too bullish. That will consolidate between 1400 and 1480, and I think at some point of time, probably sooner than I expect, at some point of time, I think we'll drop down to 1350, which is our next support. And if this bearish momentum in the market continues, 1350 is not going to be strong enough to prevent us from dropping down to this level around 1300. So ultimately, that's what I expect, but I do want you to know that it depends on the developments right now. If USDC regains its back today, then there's not too much to worry about, I think. But it is struggling. You can see on the 1 day, it is struggling to get that peg back up, which is pretty worrying. It's not the end of the world, because it's only down like 9% right now from the original value, but it's we'll have to monitor this. This is the biggest thing to monitor. If this repegs, then we're fine and we can probably stabilize. I still think this would happen, but it will then take a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date on the developments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.